Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm the Educated Natural, welcoming you to another exciting Artisan of the Day. Yes, it is that time of the week where I tell you who my chosen Artisan of the Day is. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for spending some time with me, the Educated Natural. If you are not a newcomer and you have been here for a minute, thank you for returning to hang out with me. I truly appreciate your presence. Now listen, you see that box right there? That one right there. There is something special in that box that represents our Artisan of the Day. Now you're probably wondering, who could it be? Well, this person actually needs no introduction. And I know what you're thinking, but Kim, you said it about everybody. Yeah, I do. But this person has come on the scene with a vengeance. Let me tell you, if you are looking for bling, okay, maybe you don't understand what bling is. I'm talking about stuff made with shiny things, such as rhinestones. What about diamond art? What about maybe you're in need of what's known as waist beads? Well, guess what? My Artisan of the Day does that stuff and more. Now, you're probably scratching your head thinking, who could it be? Who does such things? Well, my Artisan of the Day does. So without further ado, let me introduce you to my Artisan of the Day. She is none other than, well, she has several names. Some people call her Kay. Some people call her Ayisha. Some people call her Kenya. Yes, you guessed it. My Artisan of the Day is none other than the owner of Creations by K. Ayisha. Yay! And I'm so excited to share her with you. But before we get to see what's in this box from Creations by K. Ayisha, we're going to take a small peek at her social media. So join me right now. Here we are at Creations by K. Ayisha's YouTube channel. And you can find her by doing a search for Creations by K. Ayisha LLC. Right there, as you can see there on your screen. So let's take a look at her YouTube channel and see what we can see, y'all. When you look at her videos, she has done several different types of videos to include blinging out different types of soda cans to a steering wheel tray. Have you ever heard of a steering wheel tray? I know I haven't, so I was really excited to see this video. So if you want to see what it is, head over to her channel so you can check it out for yourself. I mentioned earlier that she does waist beads and she has tutorials how she does them and different things like that. So if you need some waist beads, she is definitely the crafter you need to check out. She loves blinging. Like I've told you before, she's blinged out several things, but it doesn't stop there. She's also doing what's known as diamond art. I don't know if you've ever heard of diamond art, but we're going to take a little bit closer look at that when we get to her Instagram page. So I'm not going to delay this any further. Check out her YouTube channel. You can see all the great videos she has released. Then head over to her Instagram page. Let's check that out. And here we are. Creations by K. Ayisha's Instagram page. Look, I told you. Look at these great things she's done. There's the Coca-Cola can. There's the Sun-Kissed can. Oh my goodness, look at this. Bling, bling, bling. There are some waist beads that she's done that she has hung up so you can see them. She's done slippers. Check this out. She has blinged out slippers. She has bracelets and waist beads. Wow, look at this. This is diamond art. Diamond art. She's done, of course, she's sublimated tumblers as well. She's a crafter. Come on now. There aren't many things, if you scroll down here, that you can look at, that you can say, wow, just amazing works of art that she has shared with the community of crafters. Amazing. Diamond art, more diamond art. And if you're not sure what diamond art is, you need to familiarize yourself with it because it is very tedious. It requires an attention to detail. And as you can see by these pieces alone, Ayisha definitely has that special skill, which is attention to detail. So let's go back over here with me so we can stop delaying and seeing what's in this box, shall we? All right. I'm super excited to see what's in this box from Creations by Ayisha. I received this box a while ago. I know Ayisha, don't get me, but I had to hold on to it for a special event such as this one because I knew I wanted to shout you out as my artisan of the day. So that meant I couldn't open the box. But there are some things that I know I'm praying and hoping are in this box. And I know there are a bunch of different surprises in this box, everyone, because this was one of her many mystery boxes that I was able to get. So we're about to be surprised together. I don't know what's in here, but I'm hoping for a few things. So let's get in this box and see what Ayisha has in store for us, shall we? Here we are with our Creations by Ayisha's box. Let's open this box and see what's inside. All right. All right, I'm so excited to see what's in this box. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in this box. All right, what is this? This looks like a, let me see. Let's open it up and see. All right. Looks like a tapestry. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, these look like, yeah, they are. They're sublimation tapestries, like when you hold them out. Let's go into this one. All right, I'm looking at like this. Oh wow, it's one long piece. Cool. Okay, so it's like really one long tapestry type thing. Nice. Thank you, Kenya. All right, what do we have here? What is this? Is it a bonnet? Y'all tell me, what is this? It looks like a bonnet. Kenya, what is this? Are these bonnets? A type of bonnet? Somebody help me out. What is this? This is definitely a mystery box. All right, so we got two of those. This looks like a clipboard. It has a plastic film on it. Yep, definitely looks like a clipboard. I believe you can. It may be either a sublimation board or a dry erase board. I have to test this out and keep you posted on this one. This is a board. Oh, cool. A mold. I love mold. Love mold. Yes, yes, yes. This is earrings. Sublimation earrings. Right on time. Earrings. And we have some more earrings. Right on time. And some more earrings. And some more earrings. Oh, this one says hug me. Another mold. This looks like a pouch of some sort. Let's see here. Oh, it's like an eyeglass case. Yeah, shades or eyeglasses. You can sublimate on this and put any design you want there. Nice. See, I told you she has things that you don't think of. Look at that. Put your shades in there. Yeah. This. Let's turn this around. I love you to the moon and back. What is this? Sublimation squares. Oh wow, you can put like your kids on there, their pictures. It's a bag. It's a pillow. It's a pillow. It's a pillow cover. Looks like a pillow cover. Yeah, you stuff your pillow right in there. Yep, it's a pillow cover. You stuff your pillow right inside of there. Put pictures of those that you love right there. Nice, 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 nice. Definitely will come in handy with that one. Keep it moving here. A mask. Nice, has a filter pocket. You can put your filter in there. Nice. Oh, these are the fans. You could sublimate on these. These are fans. Yep. Get hot in the summer. Oh yeah. Little fan. And we have tumbler. That's like a tumbler cozy or holder. You can carry it like this. Carry your tumbler inside of there. You can sublimate on it. Whatever picture you want. You guys will see me doing some things with these and everything else that's in here sublimation. Nice. Have some more molds here, different shapes. Some cards. Uh-oh, y'all. I know this ain't what I think it is. Yep, sublimation cards. These are actually a deck of cards that I could put branding on. Sublimation cards. Amazing. Okay, let's close those back up. What else do we have? I'm gonna save that big gold thing for last. Oh, this goes to that board. Okay, so it is a clipboard. This is the piece that goes to the board. Okay. This. Oh, I think this is the holder for the fan. You fold the fan down and you stick it in here, I think. If not, it's for something else. What are these? These are, what are these? I see 3M on it. Are these the things that go in the back of your phone? No, I don't know what these are. I'll figure it out though. We got those. I think these do go in the back of phones. We'll have to see. And what's in the box? What's this? Hold on, let me see what this is. Let's see. What is this? Anybody know what this is? I know you can put something here. I'm guessing this goes on it. It's a magnet maybe? I'm not sure, but we'll find out. Anybody know what that is? Let me know in the comments. Okay, and we have another mold. And then we have some trays. Oh, cool. Trays. Nice. 2 trays. Metal trays. And last but not least, oh, a little purse. You can sublimate on there. Yes, it's a purse. Little handbag. Nice. Look at that. It's got all kind of little compartments in there. Hey, cute. Put your branding right there. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's got a little heart on it. Look at that. A little heart on it. Nice. Little handle. Yeah, it's like a wristlet. Yeah. Nice. Whew. I can't wait to start creating some great products thanks to my Artisan of the Day, Creations by Ayisha. Girl, that is some great stuff in that box, and I thank you. I am so honored to be able to bring you to my platform and share you with the people that support me. Now, everyone, do yourselves a favor. Make sure you connect with Creations by Ayisha on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. Just do a search for Creations by Ayisha and you will not be disappointed. If you are looking for some unique products to work with, if you are a crafter, especially if you're into sublimation, then look no further. Ayisha has you covered. So what are you waiting for? Head over to her social media pages, show her some support, let her know the Educated Natural sent you her way, and listen, do me a huge favor. Watch her videos and show her some support and let her know that her work has not been in vain. Ayisha, I see you, and I had to make sure that everyone else did too. I am honored that God has allowed our paths to cross, and I'm honored to be able to have in my possession products that came from you, that gives me the opportunity to create, to be creative, to be innovative, and I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you for thinking of me. Thank you for thinking of the community. Thank you for keeping us on our toes and bringing new products before us so that we can continue to be innovators in this crafting community. I thank God for you. I pray many blessings upon you and your household. If you like what you've seen in this video, please do not hesitate then to give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and of course, if you're not part of the family over here on the Educated Natural channel, that's a shame. What are you waiting for? You know what to do. Click that subscribe button to become a part of the family here so that when I release new content, you won't miss it. And make sure you click that notification bell, and that way you can make sure you don't miss it. All right? Until the next video, you all, thank you for being here. Make sure you support our Artisans of the Day that we have covered today and the ones beforehand. They will greatly appreciate it. You'll be amazed how a simple comment will make someone's day. Thank you for your time. Until the next time God allows us to meet, as I always say, be sown, be rooted, and above all else, be blessed. Have a great one.